morning, folks. It's a little bit chilly morning this morning. I just got a call from one of my customers about his dumpster's full, and he asked me if I could get rid of an old go-kart that he's got sitting around in his yard. And I told him, sure, don't put it in the dumpster. We'll come pick it up. So one of the guys just went and picked up the guy's dumpster, and I'm going to head over and pick up this little go-kart, and hopefully we can tinker with it, get it running, go from there. Okay. Oh, there it is. Oh, yeah. So we'll get a load of this thing. No, I can get it running. Got her loaded on there. It's not the prettiest picture in the world. It wasn't very pretty trying to get it on there by myself. But we got her. Let's take her down the shop. See what it needs. It doesn't look like it's going to take a whole lot to get this bad boy running. It's going to make some little kid really, really happy. Okay, let's take a look at this gas. Oh man, that looks horrible. I'm gonna have to suck all that gas out of there, clean that up, we'll spray it with some carb cleaner, and go from there. Already, look at that. I use this Workable 2+2, works really well. Spray that all in there, clean it up. Been sitting a long time. If you could smell this varnish smell, you'd know. Pull that screen out. Well, you can see down in there, there's quite a bit of whatever was gas. I always use these old turkey basters. I save them whenever I can find them. They work great for pulling that stuff out. Put it in a clear jar and we'll see what the gas looks like. I guess it's horrible looking, but we'll get it all out of there, get it cleaned up. I know we're gonna have to open the carburetor up. There it is. That is some horrible looking gas. And like I say, if only you could smell that varnish, you'd know. So now we're gonna open up the carburetor, see what that looks like. At least the carburetor is accessible. Very easy. 10mm bolt on the bottom, and we'll open her up. Man, look at that. Okay. Shoo. The carburetor bowl is dirty, but it's not horrible. That'll clean right out of there, as you can see. It's just a sediment of varnish. I'll spray it with carb cleaner and clean it up. Ready to check the spark, huh?
Oh, I saw spark.
Yes, good spark.
Okay.
Good spark.
Put your finger over that hole. Let me see if we got compression. You on it?
Blow my finger off. Clean it up.
Cleaning up nicely.
Yeah, it was just like loose in there.
Ah.
Wipe it all out.
That'd be fine. Spray the carburetor out. A little bit of shot.
Ooh.
Let's start and see what you do. Did I turn that switch back on? That's... That's cool.
112 cc's.
We're gonna have to find
5 horse.
a kid that'll ride it, so we can take it for a test drive.
Figure out the throttle.
Yeah, cool.